Lesson 13.3, Equivalence with Customary Units of Weight. So we're going to start today with tons and pounds. So if you have your conversion sheet out, it's going to help you today. So let's first start with 9 tons is equivalent to how many pounds? Well, if we look on our equivalence or our conversion sheet, we know that 1 ton is equivalent to 2,000 pounds. So if we have 9 tons, then we know 9 times 2,000 gives us basic facts here. 9 times 2 is 18. Add the zeros, 1, 2, 3. 9 tons is the same as 18,000 pounds. Let's try another one. Let's try one with fractions. 3/4 a pound is equivalent to how many ounces? Well, again, using our conversion chart, we know that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. And if we only need 3/4 a pound, let's take our 1 pound and let's divide it into 4 equal parts. And if we divide our 4 equal parts, it's 16. We know 16 divided into 4 equal parts is 4. 4, 8, 12, and 16. And if we only need 3 of those sections, we'd have 1, 2, 3. So then we're going to add those 3 sections, 8, 12. So 3/4 a pound is 12 ounces. Let's keep going. Let's do 17 pounds is equivalent to how many ounces? Well, again, we know 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So now we're going to have to do 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So a little reminder here. Let me use a different color. Start with the ones. 6 times 7 is 42. Put down the 2, carry the 4. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Now because we're moving over to the tens place, we put our place saver. And then tens. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1. Finish with that 4. 1 times 1 is 1. Now we add them. I'm going to have to put my answer. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 7 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 17 pounds is the same as 272 ounces. Let's continue. Let me erase these. Let's try another fraction. 1/8 pound is equivalent to how many ounces? Well, again, we know 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. So if we take our pound, 1 pound, and we divide it into 8 equivalent sections, and we know 16 divided by 8 is 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And we only wanted 1/8 pound, so we're only going to need this one. So that was 1 section, which is 2, and 1/8 of a pound is 2 ounces. And let's move on to greater than, less than, equal to. 6 ounces is greater than, less than, or equal to 6 pounds. Well, we've talked about this. If our whole numbers are the same, look at the units. We know that ounces is less than pounds, so 6 ounces is going to be less than 6 pounds. Let's try one more. 3 pounds is greater than, less than, or equal to 40 ounces. Well, let's look. First, we always look at our whole numbers. Most definitely different. So now let's look at units. Units are also different, so we're going to have to convert. So we know 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So we're going to have to convert pounds to ounces. So 3 pounds times 16. Let's write it vertically for easier multiplication. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 48. So 3 pounds is the same as 48 ounces. And now I can compare 48 ounces to 40 ounces, and I know 48 ounces is greater than 40 ounces. And that's our lesson for today.